Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8 chemistry chapter oxygen part 4. So first of all, in this part we will learn the second method of preparation of oxygen, and the name of the second method is laboratory method. So in laboratory method, first is from hydrogen peroxide. We learn this by first example, that is hydrogen peroxide. H2O2. H2O2 principle: decomposition of H2O2 in the presence of manganese dioxide as catalyst evolves oxygen gas peroxide. Oxygen gas. Now we will draw a figure. Like this, there is a jar. And the manganese oxide is filled in it. Manganese oxide. After that, a tube is there. In that, hydrogen peroxide is filled. Hydrogen peroxide. That is 20%. The tube is connected. This is a tub in which this is the stand. And this is the big tube. Like this. And in that, this is the liquid. This is oxygen. And this is water. And this also, a liquid is filled in the big vessel. And the procedure of this is: first, a clean conical flask is taken and about of 10 gram of manganese dioxide is placed in it. The conical flask is closed with a with a 2-hole rubber stopper. Though one hole a tap funnel and through another hole, through one hole and a tap funnel and through another hole a delivery tube is inserted. The other end of the delivery tube is connected to a beehive shelf placed in a trough of water. Third, hydrogen peroxide is poured through the Thistle funnel. This is the Thistle funnel. Fourth, hydrogen peroxide is allowed to trickle drop by drop on manganese dioxide. Fifth, it rapidly decomposes to form water and oxygen gas. The equation involved in the process is like 2H2O2 gives on MnO2 gives 2H2O plus O2. This is water, this is oxygen, and this is hydrogen peroxide. There is a precaution. Decomposition of H2O2 results in brisk effervescence due to oxygen evolved by regulating the flow of hydrogen peroxide using the tap attached to the Thistle funnel. The flow of oxygen may be controlled. Next, the second type is you can obtain from potassium chlorate, and the third is from potassium permanganate KMnO4. So this was the example and the method of laboratory, how to prepare oxygen by the laboratory method. Note, the oxygen is also obtained as a fishy smell as it contains some impurities. In next part we will learn the third method, that is industrial method. I hope you have understood this part. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like, this is the foundation of class 8. We have covered the foundation of class 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood this video. Thank you for watching.